What's up, beautiful people? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I'm going to be making a TV stand, and just that you know, I'm starting my living room transformation, and I'm going to be starting with this TV stand. As you can see, I'm just showing you the measurements for this TV stand. And for these boards, we have already did prime it. I usually use a water-based primer, this super fast, which is a Duracoat company product. I usually use it to prime my boards. So here they have already been primed. So now what I'm going to be doing is just joining them. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. I really do appreciate your continued support. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And I will really do appreciate that. Anyway, keep watching the video so that you can fully understand all the steps, all the materials, and how I did make this TV stand. Another thing that I wanted to mention is that this TV stand is 7 feet long and a total height plus the legs, whereby I'm going to be installing the legs at the end, so keep watching. The total height is 2 feet. The reason why I did put it 2 feet is because there was this design that I'm working on, but we'll see as everything comes together what I'm talking about, because I'm doing a transformation, sitting room transformation. Anyway, don't forget to like this video, don't forget to comment on it. Yeah, tell me what you think about this one. So now after joining all the pieces of this TV stand together, and now we are just going to be spraying the product, that is the finishing touches. And I usually use an acrylic based paint, and I have to use this machine to paint it to bring out a neat work. So after that, I'm going to be spraying the whole TV and then let it dry. Then after that, I'm going to be covering the back part using a 3mm plywood. Also, I'm going to be painting it, that is the back of it. And then after that, you will see the final product. And then keep checking our channel, because I'm going to be uploading videos in series, that is on how I'm going to be transforming this sitting room. I hope you'll enjoy these videos. So the next video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to be placing the TV stand in the house. Also show you how I'm going to be transforming the TV wall, because I'm going to be doing a lot of changes in the sitting room. So make sure that you will be checking on our videos, and to avoid the hassle, hit the notification bell so that you will always get notified whenever I upload any new video. Also, don't forget to share these videos with your friends and family. And also the last piece of this TV stand was this part here that I'm showing you on the screen. I had to add this one, and I'm going to be using glass shelves for them, and I've already put those stoppers there so that I can place the glasses there. And now this is how the TV stand looks like. Let's take it to the house and see how it looks. Thank you so much for watching the video till this far. Let's see you in the next video.